Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I just finished watching Izingani's Tembu and I want us to talk about the first scene where Utirelo is going out with Umpumelelo. In fact, Umpumelelo, I don't know, he's taking out Utirelo. Guys, so they're basically talking about the fact that they got engaged and Umpumelelo is saying usefuna ukuyalobola ngoTirelo. Guys, I feel like Utirelo was so reasonable on this conversation, like ama concerns akhe nje they were valid, you know, because Umpumelelo was saying ukuthi listen, since we are now engaged, I am planning to go pay lobola, of which let's start at the fact that kanti lobola lela libhadalwanga. Guys, mina I thought ukuthi Umpumelelo udala walobola koTirelo. I didn't think ukuthi la namuhla lokhu engalotsholwa ngoTirelo storyline sabo lesingathi bayasidrage samalobolo kunini indaba yamalobolo yaqala ukukhulunywa ngesikhathi kusase le virgin. Hayibo, anyways, Umpumelelo uthi ufuna ukuyalobola uTirelo and uTirelo is asking ukuthi okay, you are going to go lobola me since a party and stuff, everyone is happy, the parents receive the money and all that, and then what next? Like, where are we going to stay? Sizahlala ngaphi? We don't even have a house, you don't even have a plan. Okay, we're gonna rent an apartment endaweni so and then I'm gonna find a nanny for the child and stuff, you know. That's a plan, that's a solid plan. But when at this point you don't have a plan, so how are we gonna do this? Guys, Umpumelelo, I don't know. Umpumelelo, guys, I feel like to the questions that Utirelo had, Umpumelelo didn't have the answers. He didn't have the answers because he kept on saying that uTirelo ufuna ukungibalele iphakethi lami ukuthi linganani, like ufuna like ukuthi ufuna ukwazi ukuthi how much am I making, will I be able to support them, which is valid, which is very much valid. And ubebalekela like the main questions ezokuthi khona, okay dude, sizahlala ngaphi ngemva somlobolo phela, there is life after amalobolo, you know. For all we know, maybe Umpumelelo uzalotsholelwa ngubabakhe. So embuzo kaTirelo were so valid and Umpumelelo kept on saying hey ufuna ukungibalela ukuthi ngile mali nephaketheni and ngeke ngimtshela into enjalo. Boring. Why ungamtshela ukuthi khona this is the plan? Yo guys, vele ngibona ngathi bayakhilikithela nje, bachayana lezihlahla Nkosi yami bayenza nje kuphonga ukuthi wakhona. Guys, you won't believe me if I tell you ukuthi Umpumelelo uthe sobona khona. Literally uthe will cross the river when we get there, angazi we will jump the bridge when we get there, or the into enjalo nje ukuthi sizabona sesifike khona apho sesiloboleni ukuthi okay sizalala ngaphi namuhla, silobolene namuhla wena ususithi bye ngini, sizabona ke khona apho ukuthi khona okay now what next. Like what? That's crazy. That's so crazy. Because guys, as much as we see okay, at some point Umpumelelo uthe khona buyizokotiza eMzumbe. Oh my goodness, yazi kwavele kwathi ngife Umpumelelo sithi buzokotiza eMzumbe. Ngahle ngabona ukuthi okay, awula plan, like awula plan, nje awula plan, because kuphonga umpuntshuka la kholo khana ukuthi khona buzokotiza eMzumbe. All right, like you boring. Hayibo. Buzokotiza eMzumbe. Guys, as much as I wanted to say, as much as we see online ukuthi uTirelo Lomayeni, they have a very good relationship. From what we see online on Instagram and stuff, you know, they seem to have a very good relationship. But trust and believe akulungi if umakoti lo mamazala behlala endlini eyi-1 like January to December. Yeah, it's not nice, honestly. It's not nice. Anywho, vele basitshengisile like a throwback, you know, a young throwback of umayeni telling uTirelo ukuthi khona mina ngabe kuya ngami ngabe you enjoy umjolo wakho lo mpumelelo ungathi uyamisa mbijana endabeni zokuchata lezi because umpumelelo lo ukhuluma ngaye ungachata uthi liza yahlala nga. Imagine umamazala umpumelelo athi kuTirelo buzokotiza kuye. Umamazala lo is asking uTirelo ukuthi lizahlala ngapi. So in other words, she is saying, hayi bandla endlini yami cha ngiyabonga endlini yami no. Yazi nxa ungaphika ngomfana ungaphambana. Ungaphika ngomfana ungaphika ngomfana because yena uzovela athi buzokotiza. And then umamazala buza ukuthi makoti uzohlala nga. And kulula for umfana because kungibo phela and ngumama yakhe and nje sengiyasho nje ukuthi in general kungasoTirelo ne in general nje in life umfana kungibo, you know, umama ngowakhe makunguthi umama yakhe uyathethisa uhleze popota ekhuluma and stuff khulumela ukudla lani nje into ezinjalo ngumama yakhe nje ngumama yakhe vele akalandaba yena umjwayele uyamazi ukuthi njalo but wena ezumakoti it's not your mother my dear. Nxa siqala ukupopota siqala ukukhuluma kuzahlaba and kuzahlala enhlizweni. So yo hayi omfana sometimes iplan vele basuke bengelayo inkosi yami. Umpumelelo wenzani kahle wenzani umpumelelo mina vele ngiunderstand guys. Understand that conversation yazi ngi-analyzeile ngayihlaziya ngabona ukuthi hayibo la umuntu ethi uTirelo kazokotiza. Okay, uza lobola uTirelo la ekotiza eMzumbe then abese lobola amahle ayekotiza so behlala emzini kaMayeni kube ngabafazi abangu3 emzini owodwa. According to umpumelelo this setup is perfect. According to umpumelelo ukuthi abathathe bonke bahambe beyekotiza eMzumbe and then ebachiye lapho bekotiza eMzumbe ehambe siyadinga abanye. Yo hayi boring. Hayi ngitsho shem ayikho nje le uyawumana umpumelelo. He needs to go back angiboni bengifuna ukuthi ngithi he needs to go back to the drawing board but ngiyabona ukuthi le drawing board ivele ayikho drawing board uyakhilikithela nje uyakhuluma anything empuntshuke emlonyeni wakhe uyakhuluma. But anyways he did say ukuthi security company is going well in lane angisakwazi enye this other company yakhe layo is doing well. DJ Mpumza on the side la ku TikTok uyaphithizela ku TikTok ma TikTok lives. I've seen him like 24/7 on TikTok lives and I'm pretty sure uyabhadalwa for doing this TikTok live, so probably he's getting some cents, some coins, but I am not sure if it's enough ukuthi yondle abantu abangu8 just like uTirelo said ukuthi umpumelelo umthwalo wakhe inkosi yami yo asomthwalo omncane abantu abangu8 abakhangele yena it's a lot honestly because apparently he has a new girlfriend according to uTirelo. Hintile nje kancane ukuthi ngathi umpumelelo has a new girlfriend entshasha. Umpumelelo waze wayisho igirlfriend yakhona kumputhe ngufortunate kumputhe ngubani ibizo nje lesikhiwa nje ugirl. You will see her on this video. Ungabona iface ongayaziyo ubekwazi ukuthi ngufortunate. Face ongayaziyo fortunate new girlfriend entshasha life ngizokotiza eMzumbe. If you see a new face, you know, because I don't think I'll get time to try and ukuthi ngithi mangithi fortunate ngithi fortunate. No, I won't get time to do that guys. I'm so sorry. I am so so busy. Ukuthi nje ngithanda indaba Nkosi yami, ngithanda ukugobhoza, and indaba zako baba Mseleku, oh Nkosi yami ziyangibusisa shem you. So that's why I am at least talking about it. Hi guys, indaba kaMpumelelo lo Tirelo, what do you guys think? Like licabangani if kunguwe, like I know a lot of people are going to say Tirelo gachi, but it looks like Ugel is here to stay. It looks like Ugel loves Mpumelelo so much, of which I feel like I think we'll never understand, because I'm one of the people who's asking themselves would can velu sahlaleleni uTirelo kuMpumelelo, because guys uTirelo muhle. Yo, she is so pretty, she is so gorgeous. She's a gorgeous handsome muhle uTirelo. But it people say ukuthi love ntontoni, ay guys uthi uhlalele yona leyo love uTirelo. But anyways, besides love, I feel like nje ukungena efamilini kababa Mseleku uTirelo has helped her so much, because she's doing well on social media as an influencer. She's doing very, very well. She's been getting brand deals left, right and center, of which I feel like she's really making her own money, man. Also guys, mina mbona ngathi uMpumelelo ne angithi uMpumelelo kuthiwa ulomthwalo ngo8, ule ATM thwalo ebhekane layo, ule ATM lomo omele ayifide. Guys, mina I feel like akayifidi ngokwanele uMpumelelo, because hi guys uyabusebenza imlomo 80. I don't think ukuthi uyayifida ngokwanele imlomo yonke 8. Engabe ifida yena, yes, here and there, hambisa lo ama2 rand, amancane obisi lwabantwana and stuff, but ukuthi i8 uyayifida ngokwanele ngisayala mina. Ngeke guys, kuholwa malini kanti ku TikTok, because I know he's always on live on TikTok. Ukuthi mntwana i8 uyayifida asazi njalo. Kumbe lami sengimkalela ipocket, like just like he said akafuna into zokukalela ipocket. Mhlambe he does have money kuyo leyo security, la kuyo leyo ntontoni, the other one ayiqambile la kobo DJ Mpumza, mhlambe he does make really good money. But I feel like I don't think ukuthi uyifida ngokwanele imlomo, because guys like if he was, maybe let's say if he was just with uTirelo and uTirelo alone, Mpumelelo nguTirelo musingabakho, lama side hustles akhe lawa seceleni or TikTok or DJ Mpumza and stuff, I feel like yabo imlomo eyi2 okaTirelo kaSinga, he was gonna feed them ngokwaneleyo. Ayifide leyo mlomo ngokwaneleyo mpela, sibili sibone they go kuma vacations, once in a while, they go on dates, once in a while, baphila nje, that life, that nice life esiyibona kubo social media. But ngemlomo eyi8 ay bandla loba kuthwani imlomo eyi8 efuna ukufidwa guys, because guys sesikhoma iqiniso, abantu abafidwa ngama2 rand guys, abantu abafidwa ngama2 rand kufunakala imali. Igrocery iyadura guys, groceries are so expensive, toiletries are so expensive. Laba abancane bafuna ipampers. I-age group, kule age group yonke uMpumelelo, yonke age group ongayicabangela, from osisi abadala, his girlfriends, labantwana injetshane yusana yikho ngithi mina ngiboni shem ukuthi bafida ngokwanele shem, angiboni vele. Ngiyafuna ukukholwa ukuthi akabafidi ngokwanele, because if uMpumelelo bebafida ngokwanele, uTirelo was not gonna have those questions ezokuthi okay, what are we gonna eat, like sizadlani Mpumelelo when we move into, kwakuthi we will move in together, it's not even in the picture. They don't know, literally they don't know what's gonna happen after the lobolos. uTirelo was saying ukuthi no, I can't just do this thing, and which was so valid. so valid. I love her for that. I love her for asking those questions. Okay, ufuna ukungilobola, then what after amalobolo? Because there's life after amalobolo, you know. And uMayeni gave her a very good advice. Shemutirelo yokuthi listen, umpumelelo ngiyamzala ngowami ngiyamazi. Ufuzuyise. Yabona leyo ukuthi ufuzuyise. I love uMayeni for that, guys. I love him. I love her down. Ngimthanda down uMayeni for ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi umpumelelo is his father's son. Wathi Tirelo umpumelelo ngiyamazi ngiyamzala ufuzuyise. And she meant it. She meant it because, guys, abanye mamazala, guys, saying divert, sorry, but like, you know, abanye mamazala ne labantu abangabafana. When it comes to abantu abangabafana, they think ukuthi abantu abangabafana bangama angels, bazingilosi, Nkosi yami abawoni if there is anything wrong, umakoti ngiyo wrong. But khona la umamazala uthola ukuthi ubabazala la wayemhlupha. Uthola ukuthi ubabazala wayemhlupha down. But now umntwana lo ngumfana phela ngumntaka babazala Nkosi yami ufuzuyise bekumele afuze bani mamazala Nkosi yami bandla. Understand phela nxa ngikutshela ukuthi umntana wakho uyahlupha, umntana wakho uyafeba, umntana wakho unje, umntana wakho unje. Understand because lawe you had those same struggles with ubabazala. Phela yo Nkosi yami ayibo. Understand mamazala manje mamazala aba understand ngathi ngazombuza ukuthi khona okay umntwana lo ngokababazala yini kumbe wamfeba because you sana boring omamazala sometimes abenzi kahle but uMayeni I give it to her. She's one in a million. Shame uMayeni wazi ukutshela umakoti ukuthi lalela umntana nami ngiyamazi ngiyamzala ufuzuyise. Ngimthanda down uMayeni for that, guys. Yo, I shame. Ngimthanda down shema afuna uqamba manga. But anyways, guys, yo ngisathi ngithi umpumelelo like limbone nje ku TikTok live. Ngibona ku TikTok live uzavuma ukuthi ulemlomo e8 amela ifide. Uyabe serious umpumelelo ku TikTok live because phela there is 8 mouths that are waiting to be fed. You know. Yeah, yikho nje ngisho ngithi khona it's good man ukuthi otirelo they have these social media things that they are doing, you know, so that bencedise Nkosi yami because if they look uma bengakhangelela ukufitwa ngumpumelelo phela guys ifeeding is not a grocery kuphela. Ifeeding is self care futhi, you know, inwele toiletries kuningi guys in fitting kuningi shame oneni for osinga bakho Nkosi yami bandla ifees zema daycare. Ifeeding is a lot. Mangithi ukufeed imlomo it's a lot guys, it's a lot shame. I2 ngeke nje imfeed umuntu. So I am just saying nje ukuthi it's good ukuthi otirelo they have gigs, they have things that they are doing, you know, on in this influencing industry so that bencedise Nkosi yami baba sekhaya because ngibona ngathi ngeke akwanise shame kuyifeed imlomo engu 8 and it looks like vele yena he wants to add imilomo guys yokufeed. Boring. Boring shame. What do you mean? Anyways guys, uAmahle kanje ingumdlezana uqeda ukubeletha abantu. Congratulations on ukuthi uAmahle has a newborn. Congratulations. It's cute bandla. Is it cute? Ngiyabuza Nkosi yami bandla because yo guys yazi ngiyabuza ukuthi khona like into ebengicabanga futhi khona la ukuthi khona okay these girls abajola lo mpumelelo like cause angithi kuthiwa umendo esindebeleni thina esindebeleni kuthiwa umendo awuthunyelwa gondwane, meaning ukuthi khona mawusiya kwenda like uyabe ungakwazi nje into ozachayisana lazo emendweni, uzafike nje ukhilikithele, but like uyabe ungakwazi into ozachayisana lazo emendweni. And it's so unfortunate because uyabe siyakwenda uzitshela ukuthi Nkosi yami yonke into izahamba kahle, you know, and stuff, kanti cha bandla uzafika kubhede. But I feel like these girls laba baziphosela kumpumelelo ubona balenhlanhla because igundwane bayakwazi ukulithuma Nkosi yami liyo babhekela ukuthi kunjani, bangena bekwazi because bayazibuka ingane zesithembu on TV, ligundwane lelo bayazibuka, babone otirelo, babona how uVuyo was treated in the Mseleku family, but they still wanna go and be treated like that because that's what they're gonna get. Because guess what, Mpumelelo umayeni washo ukuthi ngumntanakhe uyamzala ufuzuyise. So these girls, I'm like, igundwane likhona balenhlanhla bona balala igundwane bayalithuma liyobona libuya igundwane lisho ukuthi kuyabheda ngalo, kuyabheda labantu ba-complaina ku-social media bathi Mpumelelo kayenzi kahle, Mpumelelo this, Mpumelelo that. Beqede lapho bethi yikho esifuna khona thina, beqede bethi I'm going there, don't you want to go to her? Hayi shem, I have heard abanye like abantu abayenza ama-TV recaps mabe reviewer izingane zesithembu besho bethi bona these girls are just going for the money, the fame and stuff. Ngathi nje ikhona indawana encane kimi ethanda ukubakholwa lami, because what do you mean ukuthi usuthuma igundwane lamba la ukubonela ukuthi hayi kuyashisa laphana wena ubuzuthi I'm going there? Bandla hayi ngiyathanda ukuthi labi ngingathi ngiyavumelana labo kancane laba bathi khona these girls are coming for the money, because what hayi Hi, it's a lot, guys. Anyways, please do let me know what you think on the comment section. I didn't want to make a voiceover. I wanted to do a video, a proper video, but guys, I am so tired. I'm so tired, like, oh my goodness gracious, I'm so tired. And tomorrow I have work. Oh my gosh, it's just a lot. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this voiceover, and let's engage on the comment section. Let's talk about it. Guys, don't be scared. Let's talk about it. These people already put their lives on the on the limelight, so we can talk about it as long as we are respectful about the whole thing, angifuni futhi ubona abantu lawo zasithi leave people alone. You suka lapha boring, leave us alone lathi Nkosi yami bandla. Ayibo sifuna ukukhuluma thina hey. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.